Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Google Ads case study. This is going to be a very detailed Google Ads case study, and I will tell you in detail on how we optimized and how we made it a successful project. So I will review the whole year performance with you guys as well to show you step by step on what steps were taken and how we were able to make it a successful Google Ads case study. Now, for any company to reach a success in Google Ads, the things are not easy as they were. Used to be years ago, which is why they opted to hire our Google Ads Google Ads services. Now, this is not personal marketing, but I'm just educating and awareing all of the people on what we provide when someone gets our Google Ads management service. We are one of the finest companies. We offer anti-fraud tick management with all of the brands. We are a very AI friendly company. We use AI tools including on competitor analysis, AI ads designing, copywriting, but the brand persona, AI cannot replicate the brand persona. So which is why we have a team of creative people with me who work along this project to make it a successful project. And we use a variety of Google Ads features, and to make it a successful service, we also help client with making it working with a shopping campaign, performance max campaign, search campaign. So there were three categories of prime campaigns which were being used along with retargeting at some point to make it a successful project. We offer all of these services as a Google party company, and all of the staff is Google certified to help you in making this project a winning project. So we work all together to make it a winning, and credit do not go to us but to the whole team and to the client as well, who was supportive. And I've been saying it around, you cannot win a campaign without the client's involvement. So yeah, the client was involved, client was supportive, friendly to make it a winning project. So let's get started on this one. So I'm going to show you the successful case study, and let's get started with the domain. So this is their website, and now this is an optimized website you may see right now over here. So in order to make it a winning project, I think that a lot is needed to be spent on the website. Now you are seeing this is an approved website, a running website. But once we started, we worked on the website changes. Okay, I'm going to show you the glimpse of the changes while creating, the website changes. Few things were in the mind. We need to have high CTA, call to actions, highly converting landing page. Again, landing page is a separate service. Competitor analysis, what kind of competitors were over there and what kind of campaigns they are running. So I'm going to show you the glimpse of them. So let's move on over here, and I'm going to show you a few of the things from the audits. So once we started around, we looked around improvement for footer, you see me around small errors, small things. We suggested adding about us policy page, return policy, disclaimer, do not sell my information, fact, other contact information. These are also helpful in getting your Google Merchant Center approved. So we started from it, look around on the other things as well, small errors, small changes, optimization for the website to make it a user-friendly website and to make it a winning website. So the first thing is ever done is on the website changes as being told over here. So now let's move on to our campaign side. I'm going to show you what we started and how we went around. So this was the figure, once we started around, and this was, again a high, and then there was a time when we stopped running the campaign to look around in the data for optimization and improvement, and this is how we came up to get it improved. But the situation wasn't consistent with it, and then we saw a huge increment in our conversions. So then we worked around, made it a good one like this one and this one and this one. So you can see how we optimized it to make it a successful and this one. So telling you that in order to make this from this cost per conversion, $30 conversion, to the cheapest one at 4.06 or 4.31, and 218 conversions, a lot was done, a lot testing was done, and we split. Let me show you the campaigns part now to show you the campaigns which were being used. So we use 4 campaigns over here. I'm going to write over here as well, so you guys have an idea. So we used 4 campaigns. Performance Max, one of the very famous, people like to use Performance Max, specifically with Google Shopping or Google Merchant. Apart from Performance Max, we use a shopping campaign with maximum click strategy over here. So I'm going to write over here maximize click. Performance Max with maximize conversion, where it was started with maximize conversions, then shifted to maximize conversion value. I'm going to write over here. Started with maximize conversions, bidding strategy, then moved on to maximize conversions with value. The shopping campaign with maximize clicks. Shopping for collections group. Collections pages. Bidding strategy was manual CPC. And the best one running right now, shopping campaign with target ROAS. Okay. Okay. Also, these were the 4 aspects. You may be wondering on why you didn't started with target ROS at the start. So there are a few things which you need to keep in mind to make it a successful project, and please try to understand it that it's not a one-day job. Okay, when we were running Performance Max campaign, the idea was to find out which products or items were working well. So the goal of Performance Max was to determine top performing products, so we can create their shopping campaigns for those. Okay, we also tried shopping campaign. Again, the goal was to find out the top performing products. When you are running with maximize clicks, the goal is to get a data. We run the Performance Max. The advantage of Performance Max is that we do not have to individually upload all of the products, but because with the Performance Max we have to just feed the products. So all of the products mentioned on this website were automatically feed through the feed synchronization. So all of the products were given random share to be shown, and then we got a data in the whole year on which one to run around. So let's say we started on January, and today I'm going to make it till today. Okay, so you guys have an idea that we ran all of the campaigns, the Performance Max, the shopping campaigns, the maximize clicks, and then our best converting target ROS, return on ad spend strategy. This was not the strategy which we started at start, but eventually turned around and look around on our cost per conversion at $5.52. The shopping campaign was at $27. The maximize clicks was at $10, but the shopping campaign with all product ROS went into 5.52. Now move on to this campaign. I'm going to show you the few of the insights, and then I'm going to show you the staff recommendations as well. Look around in the products group. Okay, see around. You may see around over there. Okay, because the most of the stuff is the AI based, so you do not have to be much worried. With this, I'm going to show you assets, everything on the account, so you guys have a clear cut idea on all of these things, how to synchronize it, and I will share my staff feedback as well in this one as well on the insights. But I wanted to show you the first of all our settings, everything, and these are our list of negative keywords. You may see around over here, exclusions is nothing. Sorry, these are the exclusions. You may see around. And also I will show you our sorry. Just a second. Yeah, now I'm going to show you some change history. The previous steps which were being taken around, where we were added negative keywords in different campaigns to do the some small changes, some low value changes were removed, negative keywords were added, some more things were done. So I'm going to share with you the staff remarks as well in making this a project one. So there are few insights which I wanted to share, and which I wanted to share over here. I'm going to make it bigger so you guys can read it. Okay, so you may see around over here, one of the staff went in, and updating over here is that we increased the budget to $50. Strategically split the product campaign into three separate campaigns for better performance and insights. As I told you, maximize the ROIs. We started with the maximize ROS, eventually shifted to target ROS, which eventually turned into be a better ad positioning strategy. Maximize clicks, I told you as well. We were with shopping campaign, we get the maximize clicks because we wanted to get the maximum data. At the ad group level campaign, we used the structure allows to train the algorithm more effectively. Plus, low performing keywords were timely removed. And we focus the whole GMC synchronization. So I'm going to tell you we also used SpyFu as a part of our comparator analysis. Now we'll move on to the merchant center. So now I moved on to their merchant center as well, and we are also getting ample of organic clicks as well. So we also optimize the feeds for SEO and the natural organic traffic you get through synchronizing with Google Merchant Center. So we took the advantage of all of these things to make it a successful project. And yeah, this is another successful case study. And if anyone needs professional Google Ads audit, setup or management services, you can hire me and my team. We offer a variety of Google Ads management plans. We also offer anti-fraud click, plus we usually create WhatsApp group with teams for synchronization and day-to-day updates regarding the projects. So we are a full-fledged Google partner company, and anyone needs an optimization improvement like this where we can optimize for conversions, we have a team of professionals who work along with me to make it a successful project. As a Google partner company, we will love to help you. We do real-time insights on competitors, see their bidding strategies, how they change. We look around on helping you in assisting you in optimizing your website for better conversions with ad copies and a lot more stuff. Not every time an AI product is a winner. We fluctuate, we change, so we look around for the strategy depending upon your website, target audience, target location, what the competitors are doing, and how we can grab the market by understanding the market dynamics, local conditions, local atmosphere, to see the common values of the people so we can win them. So yeah, I hope you like this case study. And if anyone needs a professional Google Ads audit setup or management service, hire a Google partner company like us through the link in the description. All of the details are being mentioned in the description of this video on how you can work with us. Thank you for watching. We look forward to working with you. Take care and bye-bye.